So I hope you guys are okay with this being a little informal because I wanted to get straight to the point. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Purposers platform and start generating revenue from things you already know how to do well. So the first thing you want to do is go to www.purposers.com. And once you're there, you'll have a few options here. You're going to be able to click on order and delivery, become a purposer, or get help with other projects. We're going to go to become a purposer. So right now you have the ability to sign up as a purposer, as a delivery purposer, which is a quick sign up. But for today's purposes, we're going to go to the bottom down here because we're going to go through the full sign up to become a purposer that can do any project, not just a delivery project. So at the bottom, you'll see ready to make an impact. You can click sign up now. And this is going to take you to a form to become a purposer. You want to enter in your name, email, a password that you determine, and here you'll have an invite code. If you're invited to the platform, whatever invite that you got, you'll be able to put that there. Below that, you have your bio. You can either enter your bio here, or when you actually log in, you can enter your bio. So you can decide whether you want to do that or not. You also have the option of putting a link to a photo. It is important that you enter your skills, what skills you actually are able to do, because what this is going to do is it's going to pair you with whatever projects that require those skills. So if you are a delivery and transportation person, it's important that you click that. You can list as many skills as you want, though. You don't have to just stay with delivery if that's not all you do. So this is going to allow you to be paired with different projects that may interest you once you're into the platform. So if you just go through and list those, you can do that. And then here, where what motivates you, this is really where you get your purpose alignment. So this is aligned with what makes or what motivates you to do the things that you do. So for instance, you have delivering results, we have helping my community, creating order and cleanliness, supporting small businesses, so on and so forth. So these things really kind of show what things are motivating you to do the things that you do. It's important that you fill that out because that gives, again, the platform the ability to pair you with specific projects or whatever is going to be purpose driven for you. All right, so once you fill that out, you want to also fill out your address here. So whatever address that you're going to be doing your purpose projects from, you want to put that address here. So for instance, if you're a delivery person, you want to put the address or the area that you will be delivering from. This kind of helps pair you with the projects that are more in your area, especially here where you have your service radius. So for instance, you can put 100 miles for this and you'll be paired with purposer jobs that are within 100 miles of that service radius. So be clear about how far a net you want to work, because some people don't want to travel that far. Some people may be, not driving. They may be doing e-bike delivery or whatever. And you want to make sure that you are putting the right radius that covers the area that you want to service here. So I'm just going to leave 25 miles there. Once you're done and you hit submit, you're going to receive a verification email in the email that you provided here. So you're going to want to click on that link and then that will verify your account. From there, you're going to be able to log in. So let's just go ahead and log in with an account that we already have set up. Okay, so now we've successfully logged in. So when you first log in, you're going to be on your home screen for your purposer page. In the right-hand menu here, you have a few things. You can browse projects, which is the page that we're on. You can also get to the order and delivery page from here if you want to place orders yourself. My orders will give you a kind of an overview of the orders that you've completed there. So from here, you'll actually be able to go to your profile. And once you're in your profile view, there are a few things you can do here that I would advise to do. You can edit your profile and add your bio and your profile image if you'd like. You can also go down and put in any other skills or what motivates you if you hadn't done that on the front end. So that gives you a moment to kind of really dial in and put those things to align with whatever projects you want to be in line for there. And make sure your address is correct. And so your background check, you want to make sure that you do have your background check done. That'll be in this area. And below that, we have our payout account. You want to make sure that you connect your payout account because that will ensure that all of your funds are going and routed to the right place. We use Stripe, so you can go to your Stripe account from there. And you will also have your saved payment methods. This is for when you are placing orders and creating projects yourself. The secure payment method that you're using to pay for projects that you initiate is here, and you can change that at any time. So this gives you kind of the ability to act as a customer as well. Here we have projects that you have accepted. We have reviews. These are the reviews for the jobs that you've actually done. Earnings. These are different jobs that you've worked on. And then your settings. If you have completed your background check and all the other requirements, you'll start to see jobs as they come in, and you can accept those jobs and be assigned. I hope this has helped you get started with the Purposes platform. In the coming videos, we're going to go a little bit deeper in showing you how to maximize your pages to get you started earning revenue at doing the things you already do well. If this video has been helpful for you, please do subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.